Hi everybody, this is the Unique Thinker. This is day 85 since Ahmaud Arbery has been shot and killed, an unarmed black man in the streets of Georgia, where three men, one in a vehicle and two inside of a truck, ran after him, tried to make him stop, and decided to shoot him cold-blooded dead in the streets. Ahmaud Arbery was killed on March 13th, 2020. Today is 5/18/2020. It's been 85 days since the judicial system has been aware of Ahmaud Arbery's murder, and no convictions have been made. Only just arrests have been made at this time, but no convictions have been made. And currently, right now, the people that have killed them are working on a bond. They're working on getting free. This has been day 85. No convictions have been made on a man that had no gun in his hand, that had not just no gun, but a man that had no weapons and did nothing wrong, has been killed, and no convictions have been made. This is day 85.